YouTube and Happy New Year. We are officially in 2019, which marks quarter one in the retail industry. As we move away from quarter four, which represents a peak in sales due to the holiday season, in comparison, quarter one can seem relatively bleak in terms of sales. However, if you are more intentional and strategic when it comes to sourcing, you can still thrive in quarter one. In this video, I will be sharing with you 5 tips on how you can do just that to ensure that you transition smoothly into quarter one. Before we get into the video, I will be hosting a live webinar for the launch of the 5-figure retail and online arbitrage course, which launches this month. You can secure your space by clicking the link in the description box below and registering your details. Anyone on the webinar will get an opportunity to get their questions answered. In addition to that, there will be an exclusive launch offer on the course. So to ensure you don't miss out, be sure to click the link and register your details now. So let's get on to the video. What to do after quarter four. Here are my 5 top tips. So tip 1, don't just rely on sales figures for the last few weeks when sourcing. Do check the number of sales an item has had throughout the year. Resist the temptation to buy a product with a ridiculously high profit margin if the monthly sales figures don't support that it sells well in quarter one. I check sales figures with BuyBot Pro. So with this item I have been looking into, I can see the sales figures have stayed fairly consistent throughout the year, with a minimum of 60 sales per month and a maximum of 80 sales. So if I could source this at a good price, this would be an item that I would be potentially interested in purchasing, because as you can see, the monthly sales support that this item sells all year round. Tip 2. Don't just stick with toys. In quarter four, toys fly off the shelf due to Christmas. But in quarter one, don't rely solely on toys. Yes, some toys may sell, like computer games. Children would have had new consoles and want to spend their Christmas money on games. But the key is to diversify. Capitalise on upcoming seasonal events like Valentine's Day, where gifts and chocolates will sell well. Tip 3 follows on from tip 2. Don't restrict yourself to certain categories. Plant seeds now that will harvest an abundance of crops. Be strategic and aim to get ungated in categories such as grocery and personal care. Grocery is ideal for Valentine's Day in this quarter and is also a gold mine in quarter 2 for chocolates for Easter. Time is of the essence. You want to start planting the seeds now so that you can reap the benefits. You can either stay gated and restrict yourself, or you can open the doors to a multitude of additional sales by applying to get ungated in certain categories. I will leave an ungating course link below. Many of the members in the Amazon Facebook group have used this course to great effect to get successfully ungated. Tip 4. Don't rely solely on current sales price due to fluctuations which may have occurred due to increased demand in quarter 4. Instead, use the Statistics tab on Keeper to check the average sales price for the last 6 months. The Statistics tab can be found here, and if you navigate down to where it says average, you can see that it says for the last 90 days and also for the last 180 days. This will give you the average price that the item has been selling for the last 6 months. I advise to go by the last 180 days, as that is prior to quarter 4, and so it will give a bit more stability in terms of the price that this item will sell for. Tip 5. Don't rely solely on manual sourcing. Do start automizing your Amazon business as deals dry up. Additional leads are always welcomed. In January, you will find a lot of retailers are reducing toys, but as mentioned before, ideally we would like to steer away from toys and diversify. Sourcing services such as online arbitrage deals provide deals 24 hours a day, giving you hundreds of deals at your fingertips. So do consider outsourcing to improve the number of leads that you will find. And I've thrown in a bonus tip. Do keep the consumer in mind. What are they looking for in this moment? So many people have New Year's resolutions around weight loss. Scales to weigh oneself and fitness equipment may be popular. Also, books, both used and new, see an increase in January. Non-fiction books like travel, fitness, recipe and motivational books will sell well in the new year. If you have found anything useful in this video in terms of your sourcing strategy for Q1, be sure to smash that thumbs up button. If you have any tips to share with our community, be sure to put them down in the comment section below. I've been Emma Louise Hamilton and it's been a pleasure having you with me today. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified about my next video. I'll see you next week. Take care for now. Bye.